Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. How to learn the Arabic language? Answer. My answer is different from the routine. I say learning the Arabic language is to be kept as a second priority. Priority number one is to benefit from those who have already invented this wheel, that is, translated the Holy Quran. Don't defer learning from the Quran till the time you learn the Arabic language first. People spend their lives learning the Arabic language but miss the message Quran is giving. My point of view is not to waste time in learning a language but to use the translations which are already available. Don't say first I will learn Arabic, then I will translate the Holy Quran, and then I will be able to understand it. My brothers, you, even after learning Arabic, will not be able to convince people on it and won't be able to do dawah, that is, invitation to Islam work from it. Because people would say that their scholars knew more Arabic and that they don't recognize your translation. My point of view is completely different. My Masla number 170 is recorded. Its title is Why There is Difference in the Translations of the Quran. Is the Quran safe? One clip of this masala is also separately uploaded with the title Cheatings in Translations and Scholars' Explanations of the Quran. In these videos, I have told that to keep people away from the Quran, how devil has used scholars unknowingly. I don't say the scholars' intentions were wrong, but they said that if you read the Quran directly, you will lose the way since there is a lot of difference in translations. I say you read the translation of whichever school of thought you are, wherever someone has cheated, their Quran will tell you by its style and temperament that this is wrong. The common man can also judge the cheatings. This is my claim. Allah has taken the work of the security of the Quran Himself. Allah Himself is to show the right path. You don't have to take tension. If Hazrat Salman Farsi radiallahu ta'ala anhu got enlightened after changing so many religions, then you can also get it. You must learn the Arabic language in parallel as a hobby, but don't delay understanding Quran through translations. To learn Arabic, there is one person, Amir Sohail. There are 70 plus lectures on YouTube, but you can only go through 20 or so. He has started from the alphabets, and the one who knows Urdu will learn Arabic easily. He has targeted Arabic of the Quran for learning. The name of the channel is Lisanul Quran.